Introducing the new version of InsertPlus. We'll start with a simple insert operation using a single fastener. As soon as the hole edge is selected, InsertPlus displays an insertion arrow, providing immediate visual feedback and identifying the exact placement location. Now let's select an edge that originates from a hole created from a sketch with multiple points. InsertPlus instantly detects all related holes and displays them through the MiniToolbar, showing the available insertion points. With a single confirmation, all edges are processed automatically. The same intelligent detection works with rectangular and circular patterns. Now let's move to grouped components. When a grouped fastener set is selected, InsertPlus automatically enables group mode. With a single confirmation, the complete fastener group is inserted across every detected location. The same MiniToolbar controls remain available, allowing pattern detection to be enabled or disabled instant. And of course, InsertPlus continues to support standard edge selections exactly as in previous versions, ensuring full compatibility with existing workflows. Whether you're working with individual holes, feature patterns, or complex multi-hole layouts, InsertPlus automatically adapts to the geometry and presents the available insertion points before execution. The result is fewer clicks, faster placement, and a more intuitive insertion workflow for Autodesk Inventor.